Today our activity is about migration of birds. As you know, birds can migrate from one places to another place. During their migration, they travel long distances from pole to pole. Let's see what is migration. The word migration has come from the Latin word migrara, which means globally, which means they are going from one place to another place, from pole to pole. Many birds have their inherent quality to move from one place to another place to obtain the advantages of favorable conditions. Migration of birds is a regular seasonal movement, often north and south along a flyway between breeding and wintering grounds. Migration of birds, such as there are many migratory birds. They can migrate from their place to another place for protecting themselves, especially for protecting themselves during their migration. They are doing their reproduction process also. They start from September and October and November. During that period, they can travel from one place to another place, from pole to pole, and they can return to their place during the month of March and April. So according to their migration, we can classify them into many. They are longitudinal, altitudinal, partial, total, seasonal, irregular, diurnal, nocturnal. So there are many migratory birds are there. Some of them are bar-tailed godwit, Arctic tern, northern pintail, blue throat, osprey, flamingos, greater flamingos, black-tailed godwit. So today we are going to discuss about the migratory bird called Arctic tern. Arctic tern is a very famous migratory bird because it can travel from pole to pole. For example, when compared to other birds, it can travel long distances. For example, it can travel 90,000 kilometers from pole to pole. During their travel, they won't take any rest for food or any other purposes. That is why Arctic tern is a famous migratory bird. Here in Rameshwaram also we are able to see during the winter season the flamingos at Dhanushkodi. We went to visit there. Is it so? Did you remember that? Yes. So they are migrate themselves to protect themselves and for their reproduction. We will continue about the migration of birds in our next class. Thank you.